Step 1. Eligibility requirements. DC doesn't have a typical guard card for unarmed security like most states. Instead, the only official license issued for private security is the Special Police Officer license. SPOs can be armed or unarmed, and they're authorized to make arrests on the properties they're assigned to. Some employers in DC do hire unlicensed observe and report guards, but they often still require you to get an SPO license anyway, even if you'll be working unarmed. So in this guide, we're walking through the unarmed SPO licensing process. To qualify for a security license in Washington, D.C., you need to meet the following conditions. Be at least 21, be legally eligible to work in the U.S., pass a criminal background check, have a high school diploma, GED, or 1 year of prior SPO experience, pass a physical and mental exam by a licensed physician, be affiliated with a licensed security agency or employer. Step 2. Required training. In DC, you'll need 40 hours of classroom instruction and 16 hours of on-the-job training for a total of 56 hours to qualify as an unarmed special police officer. Topics include DC law, use of force, and others. Training must be completed through a DC-approved provider. It can be done in person or online depending on the academy. Typical cost is around $325 to $375 for unarmed SPO certification. To find a verified and legitimate SPO trainer, you can call DLCP at 202-442-4320 or email them at dlcp@dc.gov. Step 3. Proof of completion. Once you finish training, you'll get a certificate of completion. Keep it safe, you'll need it for your application. In DC, the applicant is usually responsible for uploading their own paperwork. Step 4. Pass the SPO exam. In DC, unarmed special police officers are required to pass 3 written exams as part of the certification process. Exams cover topics like DC criminal code, use of force, ethics, emergency response, and more. Tests are usually administered by your training provider, often on the final day of classroom instruction. Exams are proctored either in person or online depending on the school. You must score at least 80% on each exam, and you typically get 2 attempts per test. All links are in the video description. Step 5. Fingerprinting and background check. Get fingerprinted and complete a background check. Fingerprinting is done through the civilian fingerprint section located at 441 4th Street Northwest, 5th floor, Washington, D.C. 20001. Appointments must be scheduled in advance through the official portal. Fee is approximately $35. This must be completed before your license application can be submitted. Step 6. Submit your license application through the DC government's online credential system called Access DC. First, you'll need to create an Access DC account. After you log in, go to the Occupational and Professional Licensing portal. Click Apply for a new license, select Special Police Officer, and follow the prompts. You'll upload your documents and pay the required fees directly through the portal. You'll need to upload certificate of training completion, exam results, physical and mental health certificate, drug screening results, fingerprint background check receipt, government issued photo ID, passport style photo, sponsorship, employment letter, notarized arrest affidavit, and authorization forms. The application fee is $84. Step 7. Cost breakdown. Let's break down the full cost to get licensed as an unarmed SPO in DC. The training of 40 hours is $325 via Metro SPD. SPO application fee is $84, which is paid to DC government. The fingerprint background check is $35, paid to MPD. The drug test is $35, usually paid to a third-party testing site. A health physical exam can be $50, paid to a physician. These additional costs are subject to vary. The estimated total cost is $529. For perspective, the median unarmed guard pay in DC is about $47,257 a year, or $22.72 an hour per the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Step 8. License approval and delivery. Once your background clears and the application is processed, your license will be mailed. DC does not issue temp permits for SPOs. You can't work until you receive final approval. Your license is valid for 1 year. You must carry it while on duty. Step 9. Renewal. Renew your license 1 year from the date of issuance and/or the last renewal date. The renewal fee is $84. Requires updated physical, drug test, fingerprinting, and 8 hours of in-service training, which is typically around $100. Submit it through the same DC Access online portal shown in a previous step. Step 10. Get hired and stay informed. Check Indeed. Join the community at r/guardguides on Reddit. Consider becoming a channel member for early access to videos, emojis, and other perks. Click join now. And I have helpful free tools on my beacons page and multiple premium digital tools on Etsy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.